We're at the Donau-Auen National Park today with our whole cohort of students for 2025 and 2026, and we're floating and paddling down the Danube, learning about the ecosystem here. And what's really great about this is that we're learning about the biodiversity of the Danube River, and not just about in Austria, but the entire length of the river that goes out to the Black Sea. And this is really important because when we talk about issues, global issues about climate change and how it's affecting rivers and ecosystems and hydrological cycles, we can bring that into the classroom and our experience here today.
The experience today was something else. We did talk about the history of how the Danube River was protected by hydropower plants, and I think being in the environmental justice movement and taking classes for transformative society and justice, that really gave me a good look into how environmental justice movement here in Vienna is and in Austria in general.
It has been helpful for me to also connect with the courses and broaden my mind, especially on the selection of the courses. I've been able to know what direction I would want to take from the field trip and know what I want to do in the future.
This has been a really cool first experience of experiencing what it's like to be in an ecosystem which is being restored actively in Vienna, which is the city that we're studying, which is really amazing. I'm hoping to take some sustainable water management courses and other environmental management courses which are hopefully going to tie into what's happening here actively right now.